BlackRock and Fidelity Bitcoin ETF reached top 10 in January flows. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust and the Fidelity-Wise Origin Bitcoin ETF landed 8th and 10th place among all ETF in January by largest flows. BlackRock and Fidelity's spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETF, have made it among ETFs with the largest January flows, totaling around $4.8 billion. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust had an estimated $2.6 billion in net flows, reaching 8th place, while the Fidelity-Wise Origin Bitcoin ETF landed 10th place with $2.2 billion in net flows, per a February 3. Report from Morningstar research analyst Lan H. Tran using data approximated from the issuer's websites. The data also showed the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust had the second highest outflows among ETF in January, with $5.7 billion estimated to have net exited the fund over the month. The president of investment advisory firm ETF Store, Nate Girassi, wrote an angst post sharing the data. Girassi said BlackRock and Fidelity's funds are in a clear two-horse race among the 9 new Bitcoin funds. He added the joint ETF from ARK Invest and 21 shares, along with Bitwise's, both with assets under management shy of $650 million. Were developing as a strong middle class and predicted they would hit $1 billion in assets in the not-too-distant future. Morningstar's report comes amid U.S. spot Bitcoin ETF notching 6 straight days of net positive inflows totaling nearly $715 million, the majority of which was carried by BlackRock and Fidelity's funds, per data posted to X on February 3 by BitMEX Research. The trading days from January 26 to February 2 saw flows into the 9 new spot Bitcoin funds surpass the lingering outflows from Grayscale's, which slowed over the week, with the GBTC hitting its second lowest outflow day on February 2 at $144.6 million. The 6-day run of inflows came after a 4-day spree of outflows between January 2 and 25, when GBTC outflows peaked and $431.8 million net exited the 10 ETF in total. Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas wrote in a February 3X post that it was really something to see the 9FEs bar the GBTC comeback from that dip last week. Typically, there's slow decline after big hyped launch, and the net inflows to the funds on their 3rd week of trading shows these ETF have legs, he added. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.